Don't trust yourself. Over the years, we are very much comfortable with uncertainty and ambiguity and keep on raising the questions about our cherishable belief and dreams. The real tragedy comes from our self-doubt. How many amazing careers we have spoiled. We have missed the opportunity because of trusting ourselves. How many work, how many things we are lost because of trusting ourselves. How many good relationships we have never make it. We have failed to build the relationship because of the trusting ourselves. The trust factor, the belief system comes from various point of view. There are psychological factors involved on that. For example, dwelling on the past, worrying about the future, trusting emotions and ignoring the curiosity, our judgmental and thinking everything, overthink everything, struggle to understand our self-worth. There are a lot of factors involved on that because we strongly believe that we are not able to come out from the situation. The mindset, everything will involve on that. Some of the key factors, the psychological factors, we should not trust ourselves. Number one, dwelling on the past. The past history does not make that the future is going to decide on that. The most of the self-doubt comes from the past because of especially for the past mistakes or misfortune. If you are making the mistake in the past, does not mean that you are not well versed with that. Does not mean that definitely you are going to face the same problem again. You are not fit for that. But our mind system, our mindset, it's always thinking like that. If you are failure in the past, the same thing is going to happen in the future. We are believing on that. We are not understanding the real learnings from the past mistakes. The real learnings, if you are analyzing, you can easily come out from the situation. Number two, worrying about the future. The most of the time, worrying about the future, about the job, unemployment, the financial plan. So a lot of things involved on that. The proper efficient planning and preparation, the decision making is entirely different from worries. The worries, let's talk about the frustration or anxiety. Even though if it is a planning and proper decision making is a negative, some point of time it's a negative sense, but it will lead to the results. Instead of worrying for the future, the proper planning and the execution, the analyzing the situation, how we are going to achieve in the future will help you to overcome the positive mindset. You need not to believe on the how we are going to the negative sense. Number three, trusting your emotions. When you are doing the things, are you blindly trusting or listening your emotions? There is a lot of difference between that. Sometimes the other's opinion we are believing. Others may be influenced, easily sway your opinion. They infuse your opinion. Based on that you are taking the decisions. Your emotions struggled there. You have to come out from the situations. Number four, it's a perfection. Don't wait until the situation is perfect. Don't wait until the people will accept you. Don't wait until the skill set is good for you. But we have failed. Most of the time, we are waiting for the perfection. The perfection is not doing the things perfect. It's a feeling perfect. Perfection is an unattainable goal. Over a period of time, you will get perfect. If you're waiting for the perfect, you're trusting yourself. Once you will get the perfect, you'll initiate on that. That day never come in your life. You have to start immediately, today. Because of the imperfection, we keep on procrastinating the things. The procrastination, we strongly believe on that. We are trusting. We should not trust. Like New Year resolution. Every time Every year we are making lot of resolutions, but keep on procrastinate because we are not perfect on that. So we are strongly believe that once we'll get the perfect, we'll start. We should not trust. And finally, ignore your curiosity. Most of the time, if you look at our childhood, lot of creativity, innovation comes in our mind. But we are ignored, we are stopped. Even if you look at our educational qualification, what you are thinking, what you are interested, your studying is different. What you are working is entirely different. Because you are ignoring your curiosity. You are not believing your curiosity. You are not believing your creativity. Because of that, you are not enjoying your life. Just live the way life is going on. Yes, these are the psychological factors. We should not trust ourselves. Dwelling on the past because of the old logical ways, the old reasoning, simply following. We have to just ignore and focusing on the future. The proper planning and execution will help you to overcome the situations. And ignoring your curiosity and trusting your blind emotions, waiting for the perfection, keep on procrastinating. We should not focus on it. We should not trust our belief systems. These are the areas, if you avoid our judgmental factors ignored, our life will be very happy. We can move on to the next step. Thank you.